From Unity to Chaos, exploring the unforgettable Yugoslav Wars. Welcome to our video on the Yugoslav Wars, a series of conflicts that shook the Balkan region in the 1990s. In this video, we will explore the causes, key events, and consequences of these wars. Before we start, please remember to like and subscribe for more captivating content. Chapter 1. The Breakup of Yugoslavia and Rising Nationalism. Under the leadership of Josip Broz Tito, Yugoslavia was a unique multi-ethnic and socialist state that existed since 1945. Tito's regime implemented a system called Titoism, aiming to balance the diverse ethnic and national identities within the country. However, following Tito's death in 1980, nationalist sentiments began to rise within the various republics that constituted the country. Economic troubles, political rivalries, and historical tensions fueled these nationalist aspirations, leading to calls for greater autonomy and independence. Yugoslavia was a diverse country with Serbs making up 36% of the population, Croats 20%, Bosniaks 9%, Slovenes 8%, Macedonians 6%, Montenegrins 3%, Albanians 3%, and others 15%. Rising nationalism and aspirations for independence ignited violent conflicts. In the 1990s, Yugoslavia underwent a division that resulted in the formation of a total of 6 independent nations. Slovenia and Croatia declared independence in 1991, followed by Bosnia and Herzegovina. North Macedonia, formerly known as Fyrom, declared independence in 1991 and changed its name to North Macedonia in 2019. Meanwhile, Serbia and Montenegro formed the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia in 1992, which later became Serbia. Chapter 2. Croatia War, Bosnia War, and Kosovo Conflict. The dissolution of Yugoslavia began in the early 1990s and continued until 2006. The process started with the declaration of independence by Slovenia and Croatia in 1991, which led to a series of conflicts and wars in the Balkan region, including the Croatian War, the Bosnia War, and the Kosovo Conflict. These conflicts resulted in widespread violence, loss of life, and the displacement of millions of people. The Croatia War, 1991 to 1995. The Croatia War began in 1991 when Croatia declared independence from Yugoslavia. It was characterized by intense fighting between Croatian forces and the Yugoslav People's Army, supported by ethnic Serb militias. The war lasted until 1995 and led to approximately 20,000 deaths. Additionally, hundreds of thousands of people were forced to flee their homes, seeking refuge in other parts of Croatia or abroad. The Bosnia War, 1992 to 1995. Following the Croatian War, the Bosnia War erupted in 1992 after Bosnia and Herzegovina declared independence. The conflict involved multiple factions, including Bosnian Croats, Bosnian Serbs, and Bosniaks. It was marked by severe ethnic and religious tensions, resulting in widespread violence and atrocities. The Bosnia War is estimated to have claimed the lives of around 100,000 people, making it one of the deadliest conflicts in Europe since World War II. The war also led to the displacement of millions, with countless families being uprooted from their homes. The Kosovo Conflict, 1998–1999. In 1998, the Kosovo Conflict emerged as the Kosovo Liberation Army sought independence from Serbia. The conflict witnessed brutal violence and ethnic cleansing, primarily targeting ethnic Albanians. In response to escalating violence, NATO launched an intervention in 1999, conducting airstrikes against Yugoslav targets. The conflict ended with the establishment of a United Nations administration in Kosovo. The exact number of casualties in the Kosovo conflict is difficult to determine, but it is estimated to be in the thousands. Chapter 3. Dayton Agreement. The Dayton Agreement, signed in 1995, brought an end to the Bosnian War. It was a peace agreement negotiated in Dayton, Ohio, under the mediation of international diplomats and led by the U.S. The agreement established a framework for the peaceful resolution of the conflict and the establishment of a federal state called Bosnia and Herzegovina. The agreement divided the country into 2 entities, the Republika Srpska and the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, with a central government to oversee matters of common interest. The Dayton Agreement helped to end the hostilities and provided a foundation for post-war reconstruction and reconciliation in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Chapter 4. Casualties and Displacement. The Yugoslav Wars resulted in a devastating toll on the people in the region. It is estimated that the conflicts led to the loss of approximately 140,000 lives, including combatants and civilians. It is also estimated that around 4.4 million people were forced to leave their homes and became refugees or internally displaced persons. These numbers reflect the immense human tragedy that unfolded during these conflicts. Together, let us remember and learn from history as we strive for a world of peace and understanding. Thank you for watching.